have you ever been in a fight with your friend? Well, at ATM, I have no friends. Yeah, of course, I have gotten into a fight with my friends. Obviously, can't get into too much detail with that, because a lot of this stuff is super personal. This week's Dare, TruthPlusDare, is to do the cotton ball challenge. So I'm with Jennifer. Her name is Squirrel. No, it's not. It's Sky. This is going to happen every video that you're in. Yep. Because her actual name, her birthday is Squirrel, but we call her Sky. If you don't know how to do the cotton ball challenge, you pretty much are sitting like Sky is, except you don't have to be sitting on a rocket ship. So, take cotton balls in a bowl, and a plate and a blindfold. Ew, that's gross, Sky. You have a face. Put a blindfold on and put the plate, we have a pie tin, on the top of your head and scoop the cotton balls onto a plate. You have 5 scoops, and then it's the next person's turn. And we are also, to make it more exciting, we're in the pool on blow-up spaceships, even though they look like fighter jets. Hi, my name is Bethany Grieve. Okay, this guy's going first. Why are there lawnmowers in every single one of my videos? Also, for another twist, we are doing it with our left hand. Oh, no. We've already gotten 16 in one. That felt like a lot. 1, 2. 3. Was that even any on that spoon? 4. 5. I feel so dumb. Alright. Hi, 10. No. I don't know how to do that. I can't touch them. I am allergic to cotton. It's 8. Alright, Carol. I feel like I'm gonna fall over. Probably. Okay. Did I even get any? 4. It's all falling. 5. You think I won? She thinks I won. Where am I? You were supposed to be holding on to me. I kind of was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
I know, no, because
drop. Oh, 16. They're touching me. I just washed my hair yesterday. I just washed my hair yesterday. Before it now. No, that's not fair. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. You can check out my channel, TheMakeupTroll, and you can go subscribe to my channel and subscribe to TruthPlusDare, and you can see me every Friday. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
It's TruthPlusDare. It's TruthPlusDare. You've got a truth about a bear or a stare about my hair. It's TruthPlusDare. It's TruthPlusDare. You've got a truth about my care or a dare about my stare. It's TruthPlusDare. It's TruthPlusDare. You can send me anywhere on a wing or on a prayer. It's TruthPlusDare. It's TruthPlusDare.